Hello, everybody. Welcome to the Tellor Dev Call. Today is July 20th, 2026. And we're finally ready to push our upgrade to testnet. Last week, we made a release and we were testing it locally on our local testnet. And then this week we'll make an announcement. We'll make sure that it goes out to testnet, and then probably next week it'll go into mainnet. And with that, let's get started on what we're up to this week. Ryan.
Yeah, last week we kind of got a little momentum on the Twitter campaigns, so now I'm gonna start doubling down and picking up more frequency on that.
Dan.
I'm automating some of the Big Mac data collection and the index calculation in AWS, and also using that for the defenders.
Tim.
Last week at the very end, did a review of some user contracts, made a few changes to those, and then so I've got to change the tests to reflect those changes, and then it should be cleanup time. And then I guess if we all want to review or anything, probably like by tomorrow, I think it should be good to go.
Spidey.
I'm sending out some testnet TRB and catching up on pull requests and stuff. I feel like I've gotten a little bit out of touch with my accounting of addresses and things, so I'm going to catch up on that. But also, at the end of last week, I started running for the first time my fancy Hermes agent testing of like my test chain that has 6 validators in it. Did a whole bunch of stuff. That's where I'm at.
Caleb.
I'm also going to be finishing up some testing and trying to break things. So far, everything's been looking good. So fingers crossed we get that out this week, and then mainnet next week, and things get rolling. But things are looking really good. Other than that, I might look through some issues and keep working on the indexer/block explorer.
And for the upgrade, just so it just reminded me, Spidey just mentioned, the upgrade is basically giving the chain a way to do some guardrails against people just accidentally going over 30% on their stake. So if you guys were wondering, it will be on the release, just so you know, but I just wanted to give some clarification on that. Also, I just wanted to say thank you to the team. We've done an amazing job this year, and the community as well. You guys have helped us make sure that all of our upgrades have gone through. And I was just telling the guys before we started the call how much we have accomplished just in this last 7 months. In the last 7 months, we've done 6 releases of layer and upgrades that went through local testing, our testnet, and our mainnet. That's a lot of work. And also we were able to make sure that all of the validators upgraded with us. So thanks to the community as well to make sure that everything goes as smoothly as possible. We also updated the bridge and finally transitioned the rewards. We did countless of releases for the reporter daemon and as well for the hub. Dan has brought in-house all the open sibling monitors that we used to have. The bridge transition and the update or the transition of the rewards took so much testing that it's just amazing to see how much we have accomplished, and we did all of that in between all of the upgrades. So I just want to say thank you to the guys and the community. And with that, obviously we have another half of the year to go and so much more work to get through. But I'm hoping that after this upgrade, the frequency of the upgrades will finally become more normal, and we're really looking forward to that. But obviously we want to make sure that we take in your feedback. We want to make sure that we are able to continue to get that, but we'll be more mindful as how quickly we make these updates, just because we do want to focus not only on upgrades. We want to move into a maintenance phase, and hopefully that's where we're at right now. We also have a couple of interesting and fun things coming up that we've been working in the background or on the side, but we'll make sure that all of this is being done for Tellor Layer and the community. Yeah, exciting times to come. Another half a year to go, and we'll keep you guys updated on what we're up to every week as we always do. But thank you, and we'll see you guys next week. Bye, guys.